light, airy, powerful. Mabe Souffle. I'm using Hyrule herb. See, it's kind of yellow at the top, right? Like a lemon. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Melt some butter in a saucepan. Then brush 2 8-ounce ramekins completely with the butter. Sprinkle some sugar in the ramekins to coat. Do this over the saucepan so you don't make a mess. You want total coverage. Alright, place those in the fridge. Alright, now grab some eggs and separate them. Cool. Alright, next we're going to zest about half a lemon. My friend Maggie gave me these, and I think they're Meyer lemons, but any lemon's going to work here. Juice about half of it. You'll need about 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon. It doesn't have to be super exact. Don't forget to strain out the seeds. You can add the juice and the zest to your heavy cream. Place your cream and lemon mixture in the same saucepan you melted the butter in. Add most of your sugar, reserving a little bit for later. Bread flour, and a pinch of salt. Whisk until smooth. Then you can crank it up to medium and start cooking it. Keep whisking, you don't want it to stick to the bottom. Once your mixture comes to a boil, turn down the heat and keep cooking it until the whole mess pulls away from the sides and it becomes nice and glossy. Like this. Take it off the heat. Whisk it for about 10 seconds so it cools down a little. Then, while whisking quickly, add your egg yolks. They shouldn't scramble if you're quick enough. And a tiny bit of vanilla. Remove from the pot and place in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes have passed, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now it's time to whip egg whites in a clean bowl with a clean whisk. You can use an electric tool for this, but when it's only a couple egg whites like this, I usually do it by hand. Whisk until they are kind of loose peaks, like this. Add your sugar and whisk until they're stiff and glossy, like this. Alright, take about a third of your egg whites and whisk them into the souffle base to loosen it up. Keep mixing until all the lumps are gone. Cool. Then carefully fold in another third. Fold carefully. And then the last third. It's okay if there's a few streaks, you don't want to overwork this. Alright, divide your batter between your prepped souffle ramekins. If any gets on the lip, wipe it off with a clean towel, otherwise your souffle is going to be lopsided. Alright, bake these for 20 to 25 minutes until the top is lightly brown and your souffle rises high. Don't open the oven while they do this or it will collapse. You kind of want to eat these quick because they don't stay warm and fluffy for long. I garnish them with some candied lemon and mint. And a light dusting of powdered sugar. This is my sugar rod. They're even better with a nice warm drink like a cappuccino or some strong tea. Dig in with your favorite spoon. Mabe Souffle is seriously yummy. If you're looking for more desserts, check out this playlist. There's tons more. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.